What is AI? Why AI is on the rise? Why every other day you get messages related to AI and news related to AI? Hello everyone, this is Mahesh Arali here. I worked with Microsoft for 16 years and my very first job was with the Bing team. And my very first project actually started with AI related work back in the year 2007. I was part of Bing's local search team, and the relevance for local search results was actually backed by a AI model. That was my early introduction to AI. In layman terms, there are a set of programs which are very logical and which are very rule based, where you can write it using simple if else statements. But there are certain problems where a simple if else statement is not possible. Say for example, you want to find relevance of the results. Say if somebody is searching for, biryani in Hyderabad, then the way you order the results, there has to be some relevance to it. Or simply you are searching for some information on internet, there has to be some relevance added to those results, because internet has a huge set of information. The search engines initially started using AI in a very big way, and that improved the relevance of search results and saved a lot of time. My second project with AI was again in Bing Ads team, where when advertisers were creating keywords and ads, we had used AI to figure out if those ads are allowed in a particular country or market. Generally, this was earlier done using rule-based engines, but then there is upper limit on how big or how scalable it can be. And we moved on to using AI to figure out or classify these advertisements. And this is where some of the things that we cannot write with rule-based can be handled with AI. Now for our day-to-day example, things like converting your voice to text, finding out if particular image has what details, and ability to now even generate a human like text, all of these are backed by AI. 10 years ago, the AI technology was very expensive, so it was only used for very high-end products like search engine. What has happened is the democratization of AI with the huge data centers set up by large multinationals and also software frameworks, many of which are open source. Finally, the cost of building AI solutions is rapidly dropping, and that is what is making AI democratized and accessible to a lot of developers and also companies. We are riding that wave where now many of the softwares that we use today will be embedded or will be improved using AI. The problems that we couldn't solve earlier with rule-based programming now can be solved with AI. A simple example, in an industry where you want to find the defective pieces earlier, many of the humans used to sit and watch and then remove them. Those things can be now also done through AI. Another example, in the traffic lights, currently there are CCTV cameras, and then traffic police is sitting in control room and trying to figure out who is breaking the rule, and then zoom into their number plate and cut a challan and send a fine to them or send a note to them. This can be automated through AI. Now AI can figure out who broke the rule and also zoom in and then convert that image to text and then actually generate the fine. Lot of such interesting scenarios will unfold using AI, and it will change in the world that we can't imagine.